To fix a Samsung washing machine that is not powering on, first identify the possible causes of the issue. The machine may not be receiving power due to a faulty electrical connection or a tripped circuit breaker. It is also possible that the washing machine's power cord is damaged or the outlet is malfunctioning. Start by checking the power cord and ensuring it is securely plugged into both the washing machine and the electrical outlet. Next, verify that the circuit breaker has not tripped or a fuse has not blown. If the issue persists, try plugging the washing machine into a different outlet to rule out any problems with the electrical supply. Another possible cause is a faulty lid switch or a malfunctioning control panel. The lid switch is a safety feature that prevents the washing machine from operating when the lid is open. If the switch is faulty, the machine will not power on. Inspect the lid switch and replace it if necessary. Additionally, a faulty control panel or a malfunctioning user interface can also prevent the washing machine from powering on. Check the control panel for any signs of physical damage or wear and tear. If the issue is with the control panel, it may need to be replaced. In some cases, the washing machine's child lock feature may be enabled, preventing the machine from powering on. Check the user manual to see how to disable the child lock feature on your specific model. It is also important to ensure that the washing machine is properly installed and leveled. An uneven or unstable machine can cause a range of problems, including power issues. Check the machine's installation and adjust it as necessary. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to consult a professional appliance repair technician. They can diagnose and repair any complex problems with the washing machine's electrical system or other components. By following these steps and troubleshooting the possible causes, you should be able to fix a Samsung washing machine that is not powering on. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances and to consult the user manual for specific instructions and guidelines.